Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to fix Character.AI chat error. Now, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to Character.AI's application. After opening the application, you will see the Character.AI's UI. Here you'll have to click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Now go to settings at the top right corner, scroll down and click on remove account or sign out. After signing out, you'll have to sign in again on Character.AI and see if it solves your problem or not. If this way doesn't work, you'll have to navigate to your Character.AI's application, hold it down and select this small eye icon. Then navigate to storage and click on clear cache button. You'll have to click on clear data and select delete. Open the application again, log in and see if this solves your problem or not. If this doesn't solve your problem, you'll have to reinstall the application and that will fix your Character.AI chat error. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.